Hello friends. In this video I will tell you some features of Seesii Mini Chainsaw. The Seesii Mini Chainsaw is an innovative tool designed to cater to both professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its lightweight and cordless design make it an excellent choice for individuals who require a portable solution for tree trimming and woodcutting tasks. This compact chainsaw is equipped with a 6-inch blade, allowing users to navigate tight spaces and access hard-to-reach branches with ease. One of the highlighting features of the Seesii Mini Chainsaw is its user-friendly operation. The tool is designed with ergonomics in mind, ensuring a comfortable grip that minimizes fatigue during prolonged use. This aspect is particularly advantageous for users who engage in extensive outdoor projects or regular maintenance of their gardens and yards. The lightweight nature of the chainsaw further enhances its maneuverability, making even the most challenging cutting tasks seem less daunting. In addition to its portability and design, the Seesii Mini Chainsaw boasts performance capabilities that rival larger equipment. The powerful motor ensures efficient cutting, while the sharpness of the blade provides precision, allowing users to achieve clean cuts effortlessly. This is particularly beneficial for those looking to enhance the aesthetics of their outdoor spaces or manage overgrown areas effectively. For hobbyists and skilled craftsmen, the versatility of this mini chainsaw opens up a world of possibilities. Whether it is for tackling small logs, cutting branches, or general woodwork, the Seesii Mini Chainsaw proves itself to be an essential tool for enhancing productivity. Its practicality ensures that it is an invaluable asset for anyone keen on undertaking outdoor work or engaging in woodworking projects. The Seesii Mini Chainsaw has garnered considerable attention from users due to its robust performance and user-friendly design, making it a suitable tool for both experienced woodworkers and beginners. One of the standout features is its cutting capability, which is often highlighted in testimonials. Users have reported that the chainsaw can efficiently cut through various types of wood, including hardwoods and softer varieties, with relative ease. This versatility allows for a range of applications, including tree trimming and firewood preparation. If you want to buy this product, click on the link given in the video description. Visit our website for more information on this product. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.